time of year to get those baking recipes out. Schedule for the collab. September is all about cakes. October is all about pumpkin. How many recipes out there using pumpkin? November is about pies and anything that is baked for the feast of Thanksgiving. December is cookies. Watch out for the Cookie Monster and of course Santa. So let's fall into baking 2026.